The Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus unveiled a few months ago in China made its international debut today. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is a high-performance smartphone with impressive specifications. Talk about the key details. Smartphone powered by Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset. There is an AMOLED touchscreen display with 6.83 inches screen size. Available in 8GB and 12GB of RAM and 128, 256 and 512GB of storage. Smartphone has a triple camera setup. The global version features a massive 200 megapixel HPE main sensor with 2x and 4x in sensor zoom. Phone has a display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. There will be a 6500 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging support. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is set to launch globally with pre-orders starting on January 5. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.